There my peeps. What I go on today? Prawns. On skew. Just watch you go on, peeps. It's SUPAMARK'S excursion. I'm there once more. Just watch you go on. That's how it look, my peep. Ready to go up on the grill. So see them, my peeps. Put it straight on the grill now, and you know. And you will see what I go on later. Just keep watching. And while you're watching, subscribe and give us a like, a comment. You know what I mean? We are comment, right? Move on to this. That we have to talk about, my peeps. Yeah, people said up and running. Another 20 minutes and it ready, you know what I mean? Shrimp on cue. Or skew. On the grill. Yeah, so you know, so me will take them off of the fire in the next 2 minutes, because I'm ready. I don't want one thing about prawns, lobster, and certain shellfish. Well, certain fish like that, prawn, shrimp, whatever. If you cook it too much, it gets a bit chewy. You know what I mean? Like rubbery. So you know what I mean? You can't cook them too much. So I don't want to overcook them. So I'm gonna take them off in 2 minutes, so you know, see, I eating time. You know what I mean? Go and watch where I go on. Yeah, my peeps, so you know, so I also do some spicy wings. You know what I mean? And I already make pizza over here, so I'm going to eat with my shrimp, you know what I mean? Never have no time to make the pizza, but all the toppings are me really added to it. But that I go on still, you know, cut 2 slices and then I go get the prawns and just want to watch you go on here. So I set it up with these. Don't know. Right now, so I'm going to share out some, you know what I mean? And you will see what I go on, you know? Yeah, man, the people, I grab 2 of them wings, you know, because I don't know. Right now, I'm starving, you know? Right there, I make a video and we are dead for them, so right now, you know, it's like eating time, you know? And peeps, just subscribe to the thing right now, you know? Pick subscription right now, it don't cost you nothing. Trust me. You know? I'm not greedy enough, peeps. I'm hungry, serious thing I go on there, so. See there? That's what I'm doing. See that? Let's go something like that. Jar it off like that. Like that. You know what I mean? Get another one and I'm gonna crave them. I'm hungry too. Peeps. Yeah, man. You're going like you don't want to come off, so. In my belly, you're going, you know, behave yourself. Behave yourself. Yes, my peeps, that's how it look. So I saw it, me start, the starters that my peeps. So that's what you're going. Yeah, my peeps, so you don't know, so I actually can make more pepper on the king, because I like the thing hot in a peep. You know what I mean, so. Testing time to prawn them. Yeah, peeps. Alright, ready. Ready up deep. Now, man. Ready. And if you don't know already, I'm gonna like eat and talk. I'm gonna devour this. This, I'm gonna yasso. So catch me in the next video, my peeps. You know it's SUPAMARK'S excursion. Until next time, I'm gone.